This is the Tech Educator 101 channel, and moving on with my Slackware. I've been using it for about a week. One of the things that I came across was this Slack package plus. There are several for Slackware, but what they are is they're kind of plugins or add-ons that allow third-party repositories to be added in that have, where people are packaging applications for Slackware that are kind of adding to it. So as an example, if you're doing it the Slack build way, so the default repositories don't have, say, VLC, but if you go to Slack builds, you can come in here and build Slackware or VLC for Slackware. But the Slackware package plus already has a package for it, and it's kind of been taken over, looks like, by Alien Bob, who is one of the main contributors to the Slackware distro. You can grab it here at his GitHub, and I'm looking inside of it. It has several repositories. Some of them are from Alien Bob himself, where it's just other package in addition that he has packaged that aren't in the main repo. It does have a multi-library, so if somebody has an older i83.6 program you're trying to run, or really Steam, you'll be able to use that. There's the Slackers. It looks like it's just some person who has got some tools probably that they use, that they're building. This Slack only is kind of an interesting one, but it looks like it's pretty outdated. But they were building all of the Slack builds applications. I haven't had a distro for it. There are a bunch of packages for 15, but it looks like they haven't been updated for about 3 years. And there's a Slackware current, but this hasn't been updated since 2017. So looks like this one is pretty outdated. This is actually a distro, so it's adding in probably what they have built for their own little distro. And then there's another one here. There's several, but a bunch of just apps. Yeah, firmware cutter for Broadcom chips. That would be interesting. And then Salix, another distribution that's kind of like they're trying to make Slackware easier to use, well, for the lazy slacker. But they've got their own kind of distro and repository, so this tool kind of builds it in. Let's go ahead. I've got it downloaded. Go ahead and install it, and I would imagine there are some editing. Yeah, there it is. Let's see what's in here. Progress bars. So there's the mirror for the plugin itself. Here we go. That one. So I'm just gonna comment some of that, and let's update it. And it kind of looks like it builds. It's a plugin for a Slack package, so you don't have to use a separate tool to do this. Interesting. Did I do something? Okay, there's the priorities. Do I need to uncomment that as well? Oh, here we go. So when I search for VLC now, I see that it's in the Alien Bob mirror. So let's see. Okay. So did that install? It did install, okay. I guess it's the downside of using little repos like this is it aired out quite a bit and had to retry. It ended up getting there in the end. It was a little slow, but VLC is installed, so using slackbuildplus does kind of extend that a little bit so that you can install some packages that somebody else has already built for Slackware. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. And if you want to see more of my content, please click subscribe. Have a great day.